The first thing we want to do is come up here to Design Services. Once we're here, there's an option to click on our Design Services, and you can hit Design Me. And the best thing to do is go ahead and create an account so that you can save your designs. And if you go here to save your designs, once you create your image, you'll be able to save there. You can also go ahead and create an account before you even get this going. That way you make sure you don't lose anything. So I'm going to assume that you already created an account. And the first thing we're going to do here is start with the very first slide, which says Design. And it says click on the camera logo on the left. So we're going to click that. Then it says choose image from gallery. We're going to choose image from gallery. And we're going to select a template. Now, you're probably doing either a memorial or a party, some type of template that is going to have an example here. For example, this one is P131. It works really well for remembrance. And then once you get that completed, you can go ahead and go to the next step. Step number 2 says the main image. You're going to click on the camera logo on the left to upload your own image. So this is going to be the photo of the person or the logo, the image that basically you want us to incorporate into the design. So you go ahead and click the camera here. And this time you'll choose upload your own image. And in this case, if this was the image of the person that I wanted to upload, I would select that here. And of course, you can also upload your own image by clicking on the button here. You can choose from your device. And you can choose a photo from your computer or your phone. Now it'll take a little time to upload here, but once it's uploaded here, we can go ahead and choose that image instead, and that will be the image that we design with your template. Then you can click on the next step here, which is to add any additional images. So it does cost an additional $5 for each image. Let's say you want to do maybe 2 or 3 more photos. You can do the exact same process. You can upload your own image from your device. Then hit open. It would upload that image for you. And you would also see that it would add an additional charge of $5 per additional photo. All right, and now we can move on to the next slide here. And you're going to choose your colors. Now here we just want to have some understanding of what colors you want to see in the design. So if this is a school, then maybe you'll actually pick the school colors, which may be like a purple and a gold. You can also place an image here. So let's say you have a logo. So I'm going to place an image here, logo. And I can place that image for reference on here. That way, if I need help picking out my colors, once you put that image on there, it will help us understand that you need help picking out the colors for the design and that you want those colors to match whatever image you put here. So keep in mind, you can put a logo here, you can put a sneaker here. We can't guarantee exact color matches, but if you tell us what sneaker you're trying to match here or what logo you're trying to match here, then we can help you pick out the colors. All right, and again, you can kind of guess the colors here. If I wanted to go to a blue, and I'm kind of guessing that color right there, just pretty close. All right, and then I'll go and click on the next slide here, which is the text. So here's where you're going to tell us what kind of text you want on here. So for instance, if this is a memorial design, I might want to say in loving memory, and then the next line. might be the person's first name. And of course you would type what that name is. And then the next line might be their last name. And then maybe the fourth line is their sunrise, sunset. All right, and maybe those are the dates there that I want to see. And that's just for our information here. You don't have to try to make it pretty with fonts or anything like that. We'll help you out with that based on the template. We just need the information. And once you're done with the text, you can come on over here to the last slide. And then you can give us a little information about what you need this for. So do you need this design for a t-shirt? So here you might just say, hey, this is for a center print t-shirt. And then if you tell us the design is a 13 by 19, then we'll go ahead and make it that size so it will be easily printable for you. And maybe the notes here, you can give us some information like his favorite pastime was fishing and he loved the color blue. Okay, so we have those kind of notes, then it allows us to also make better design choices for you when we proof for you. Once you have all that together, then you can go ahead and add it to cart. You can choose the cutoff or the processing time. The cutoff is always 10 a.m. So right now it's already 2 o'clock, so it won't count until tomorrow 10 a.m. as your cutoff. But if you want it done in 1 business day, then you could choose that. If you need it done within an hour, you can choose that service as well, but please understand that the price changes based on how urgent you need the project. So please be aware of that. Once you go ahead and put it in your checkout, let's say you do really need that 1 hour service, you can put it into your checkout. And here, because you're actually adding a custom product, you're not going to click on this custom design option. You're already doing the custom design, and you're going to hit add to cart. And once it is in your cart, you can check out. We'll receive the notification with all of the files that you gave us, and we'll be able to get started on your design. If you have any other questions, feel free to click on this little image right here, and you'll be able to text message us, maybe even take some screenshots or video record anything that you may need some help with, and then you can hit send and we'll be available to help you.